everybody. So today I am going to be turning myself into the OG blonde bombshell, the queen herself, Marilyn Monroe. It's Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays ever. So I am so excited to turn myself into Marilyn today. First things first, I'm starting with just air-dried natural hair. And my hair isn't as long as it used to be, but it's also not as short as Marilyn's. So in a tutorial I watched, she kind of took these, she sectioned her hair off, you know, at the ear. So I'm just gonna do that first and put it up. And I still feel like that's a little bit too much hair. So I'm going to section it again, just a little bit. And now we have these two super tiny little sections. And we're just gonna braid these just as normal. And then we're gonna clip them flat to the back of the head. And that is gonna give us a good kind of place to start when we let the hair down and we have to like pin it back up. So it has like the little like bump. So now you have these two little braids and you wanna lay them flat. So I'm gonna like twist it. Just take a bobby pin and I'm gonna just like lay it flat. Okay, so they're not gonna be obviously perfectly flat. We're gonna do the same thing with the other side. If you think you should put a bobby pin in it, do it. Okay, so here's the back. Okay, so now that we have the back, let's start on the real hair. Marilyn always had a very deep side part, usually on this side. So I am going to part my hair right here. There's something in my eye. I have never worn my hair like this. I have a curling iron. This is the thinnest one I had. You want one that's like no more than an inch, this size the whole way down. And just put that away. Okay, so now we're working with this section. So we're gonna take this section. You're gonna be curling towards your face and then we're gonna pin it. Curling iron and curling towards my face, like so. Then keep it together. Make sure you don't let go of this curl. Like so. And then take the back section, just repeat it. Okay, now I'm gonna do this whole side and then I'll come back before we do this side because this side's a little different. Okay, so now I have this whole side finished. I look like my grandma. So now for this side, the only difference is on this side we're curling towards our face and on this side we're gonna be curling away from our face and curl away. Hold. Stick it in there. Oh god. Do better than me, guys. Do better than me. This is a really pretty curl though. I'm gonna pin it like that. I don't think that's right at all. Then I will do the other side.
No need to worry about your pre-recorded music tapes being accidentally erased. It can't happen.
Get scratching.
Okay, now I have both sides finished, and now we get to move on to the way more fun part. Let's make up. First things first, we're gonna moisturize. We don't want no dry skin. And Marilyn had a very signature makeup look. White eyelid, her cat eye. She used to call them her bedroom eyes because they were so like sultry and pretty, and I don't know, they make you fall in love with her. This is the Youngblood Mineral Primer. I love Youngblood's products, and I love this primer. So, primer is on. I use the NARS in the shade Fiji Sheer Glow. I'm just gonna take a little bit of foundation onto my brush. It was way too much. Ellen has lighter eyebrows than I do, so I am going to purposefully run my foundation brush over my eyebrows so it makes them a little bit lighter before I like fill them in. The neck, and start hydrating my lips because you guys, we're doing a red lip. Lips gotta be perfectly hydrated. So I have this kind of like taupey brown blondish color. It is the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil in the color 250 Blonde. I'm just gonna start filling in my eyebrows. Did that do anything? No. And now I'm gonna take the same color as this, and I'm gonna use the Brow Fast Sculpt. Just like a little brow gel, but it has like the same color on it. It's like, oh my god, I forgot that I'm in a YouTube video and I have to be showing you guys this. It's like this color. Okay. Now I'm gonna go and start with the eyes. I have this really big palette that I found that has 99 eyeshadow colors. I couldn't put one more. Anyways, like every color ever. So I'm gonna take a super fluffy brush and I'm just gonna take like this white shade, which will be layering. Oh no, I didn't put primer. Take your Urban Decay eyeshadow primer or whatever you like to use. I'm just gonna blend it out with my fingers. Okay, so actually, just kidding, we're not gonna go in the white. I got this jumbo eye pencil. I'm not exactly sure what it is or what it's like used for specifically. I'm just going to really just like cover it on there because we have to blend it out and it's gonna go away, so just really pack on the white. Just trust me, when you blend it out, it's not gonna look like this. And we're just gonna do what it says, we're gonna smudge. And now I'm going to take that white color that we were just about to use and I'm just gonna press that on there. White color. What is that dark thing? What is that? Oh, it's nothing. And now I'm gonna take like a more mauve bone neutral-ish color and I'm gonna put that in my crease. They're still alive. Okay. See these sort of colors right here? They're kind of mauve, not much color to them. And see where your eye crease is and then just go like right above that. I think that's doing something very subtle. Didn't even realize, but my phone ran out of storage. So all I had done was I just did brown liner and I did it kind of thick and then I did it a little bit thinner. Apparently that's what Marilyn did. So I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other eye. So now that I have the eyeliner done, I'm gonna start going with my concealer. So I use this Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And I'm going to just, all the places I want like a little bit brighter. And I'm gonna take a wet beauty blender. And the same white that I use on my eyes, call me crazy, I'm gonna use under my eye a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna take that white. I'm gonna go like right here. I like it. So I'm going to take some bronzer. Normally I would put blush all over my face because I love blush so much, But Marilyn put blush kind of in the same place that she put her concealer. I'm gonna take First Class, which is this one. I'm just gonna put a little because it's really pigmented. And I'm just gonna go like back here and then try to blend it out. Okay. So next for the eyes, I am going to take some liquid liner and I'm going to only put it like right here. Okay, let's breathe, Jackie. Breathe. I think I like it. Wait, okay, hard part was over of just doing it. Now the hard part is matching it. Okay. This one's more like, and this one's like, no. Okay, so then what Marilyn did was she took the same white and she just kind of put it right underneath and then some in the inner corner. Then I'm just gonna make it whiter again. Actually, I'll take my same smudge brush and I'm just gonna, and now I'm gonna go in with a darker brown, which is, who is this? This is Benefit. I am going to do the underneath. So I'm gonna take only a little bit of this brown and then I'm gonna go underneath a little bit. And then I'm going to take this white pencil and I'm gonna put it in my inner corner. Then I'm just gonna go back in with this lighter brown that I used at first. Now I think I'm gonna go in with the jumbo white. And dare I say put that in our waterline. I'm gonna contour my nose a little bit. And then guess what? Guess what she put in the little circle? You guessed it, white. Oh, that looks so highlighted, wow. Wowie wow. I think I've learned my lesson. I'm gonna put some mascara on first. This is my favorite mascara. This is the Maybelline Colossal Volume. This is my favorite one ever, so. Ow! So now we have the mascara done. I am going to get the false lashes. So I've already cut these and I've just cut off like the middle parts. There's just the little flap. I'm gonna add some glue to them. I think that's pretty good. Now I'm just gonna touch this side up with mascara. See, cause like you can kind of tell. Oh my God, I'm doing it. Ah! Okay. Now I have both of the eyes done. I am going to do her mole. I have a mole right here. Can't really see it. So I'm gonna do her mole where my mole is, because hers is just like a little bit higher, but I might as well work with what I got. So I'm gonna take the same brown that I used for my eyes. It looks like a real mole. What is a real mole? Hey. Hey, it's Jackie. Oh, it's Marilyn. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with like a more neutral lip pencil to start. This is also by Youngblood in the color Rosé. I have these two red lipsticks. One is color, it's Wine with Everything. It's like a darker red, and then I have like a cherry red. So I think I'm gonna start off with the darker red. But then to really give it the red, I'm gonna do.
No need to worry about your
And I'm going to fix that up by using this red lip liner.
happen.
Okay, so now that the face is done, it's back to the hard part, which is the hair. I look like one of the founding fathers ate Shirley Temple and made this. Okay, you guys, so this is what I have right now for the hair. I'll probably be like tweaking it all night, but basically I took it out of the pins and then I ran my fingers through it and then I brush it out so it's nice and fluffy. And then I tease it a little bit, and then this part was kind of already there, but it is just hairspray, so it's not moving for the rest of the night. And then I just took some of the longer pieces and then I just like pinned them under. I'm not sure how the back looks because I need to fix it because I don't want the braid to show. But I'm just gonna be like mixing it up, moving it around, and yeah, and then let's go put on the outfit. Here is the final product, you guys. These are just some jewelry from Claire's. It was so cheap. And I have like a little dress with boots. Happy Halloween, everybody. Mwah.